Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically mute the sounds and unmute them if you want to. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Then press it again to open the menu. After you open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to find the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it. And here at the bottom of the sounds and vibration menu, you will see this option called mute. And right here we can turn it on, turn it off by tapping on the switch. If it's turned on, the basically silent mode will be enabled and the sounds on your watch will be muted. And if you disable the option, you can hear that the sound is enabled now, and all of the sounds on your watch will be active. So enable it or disable it depending on your liking, and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.